Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice agate black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the XLT Black Appearance Package, the Tow and Haul Package, as well as the Bed Utility Package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera of course, mud flaps on the rear. We do have a nice gripped running board, side view camera, blind spot mirrors, turn light indicator mirrors. We do have a nice hood deflector on the front park sensing, license plate bracket with 2 tow hooks. There's a block heater in there, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We do have this nice black sport cloth interior, plenty of door space. We do have 2 cup holders right there, a 12 volt, 2 USB-Cs, and 120 just right there. And of course, if you need more room, you can always lift up the seats as well. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see we do have powered seats, the same black sport cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space. You have your parking brake right there, lights, blind spot, and tailgate opener just right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 19.5 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle for your screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control right there. Looking at your main screen here, you have My View, trip video, gauges, off-road, towing, so that's information, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. Continue our look over here. We've got a nice leather-up gear shift with your speed adjusters. It's also collapsible, providing with more space. Fair bit of storage there, with storage there. Storage with USB and USB-C cup holders. Nice leather-wrapped center console with plenty of storage with 2 USB-Cs down there. We have your drive modes, rear locking differential, 4-wheel drive, trailer disconnect, and pro trailer assist, heated seats, plus dual climate, a 12 volt, 120. Clicking there, you do get storage there, as well as right there with storage above. We do have a nice rear window opener, which is pretty handy. We have our auto stop, auto start, 360 view of the vehicle, park assist, hazards, and traction. Looking at your main screen here, you do have your audio, which has Sirius XM capabilities, phone, navigation, your fave apps, messaging, email, driving assist, so on and so forth. Any apps you may have downloaded, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, your settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FB03605, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call if interested.